Well, we've been here at Waipī Cove for about 20 odd years and been launching off the beach most of that time. Our Balex is fitted to our 745 Extreme. It's quite a big boat to be launching through the surf, so there are some tricks to the trade. One of them, of course, is that always keep your wheels moving, same as any beach launching. Dropping the boat into the tide is really the easy part. It's retrieving it is when it gets a little bit tricky, because often on a beach, as we appreciate, there's a wave and that will lift the back of the boat sometimes, and you'll lose traction against the pads of the Balex. So the idea is to take your boat as far as you can up the beach, and then you back the trailer right so the Balex pads are right against the bow, and just push gently with the trailer. The pads will grip, and you'll find that after a short time the Balex has got enough power that it'll actually pull the tractor and the trailer back in under the boat. And of course, once it gets over that point of balance, you can keep your wheels moving, pull out, and the Balex is still nicely coming up the trailer until it hits the snub. And then you're up onto the dry sand and you're safe and sound.